This is a quick video about the Lenovo laptop stand, which I've got for the 4XF0H70605 docking unit. I found this on eBay. I didn't really see these listed on the Lenovo website, but just thought I'd do a quick video of it because it seems kind of rare. Anyway, as you can see, you have the normal docking unit, which is quite well secured in there. It sits on a sliding bracket. Like so, underneath you have this lever. This lever allows this to tilt. It's very difficult to actually do it with one hand, but this part here can actually lower like so. So again, raise it up back to the normal height, and also there's a general tilting mechanism, which is this, and that can lock it into place as well. So you can see, very nice and sturdy. I quite like this because on the counter unit or the top that I use it on, I can actually stand with the laptop on top and work, so I don't have to always be sat down working on the computer, which seems to be quite trendy at the moment, standing working on PCs as opposed to sitting. So that's what I do with this. I think it's actually quite well built, and I would recommend it if you wanted something a little bit different in terms of setup. Anyway, thank you for watching.